Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by gathering tools: a 10mm socket, ratchet, Phillips #2 screwdriver, trim pry tool, and gloves. Park on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and remove the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts while handling bulbs and connectors. Allow roughly 5–10 minutes per side if you are working carefully. Wear eye protection and keep a soft cloth to protect paint. These preparations reduce the risk of electrical shock, stripped fasteners, and accidental bodywork damage while you access the tail light assembly. Open the trunk and fold or remove the trunk trim panel to expose the tail light mounting area. Remove plastic clips and fasteners with the trim pry tool. Locate and remove two 10mm nuts and one 10mm bolt that secure the tail lamp. Keep fasteners in a small container. Gently pull the lamp assembly rearward about 1 to 2 inches to clear the body flange, then press the electrical connector tab and unplug the harness. If bulbs are stuck, rotate sockets counterclockwise to remove them before fully extracting the assembly. When reinstalling, fit the bulbs and ensure the tail lamp rubber gasket seats evenly against the body flange to prevent leaks. Slide the lamp into position, reconnect the electrical harness until you hear the tab click, then test the brake, turn, reverse, and parking lights from inside the cabin. Once verified, reinstall two 10mm nuts and one 10mm bolt and tighten snugly by hand and a short turn with a 10mm socket. Do not over-tighten. Replace the trunk trim, reattach the negative battery, and confirm all functions again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.